back to my channel. So I'm super excited for this video. It was actually very spontaneous. I wasn't planning on filming this video, but on my timeline I've been seeing a lot of Tyra Banks. I think it's because she's starting her show again, or her show is always on, it's just she's back on it, America's Next Top Model. I've never really watched that show, but I saw one of her makeup looks and I was like, wow, it's really pretty. And then I googled her and then I found some pictures. I took some inspiration from the pictures. It's not exactly like that, but I just wanted to do a smoky eye. Also, I'm using pretty much all new products in this video, so products I've never shown in video that I never used also. So it's gonna be kind of a first impressions at the same time. So yeah, if you want to know how I created this look, definitely keep on watching. Okay, so first I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Quick Fix Hydro Charge Complexion Prep Priming Spray. So I actually don't use this product that often, but I did my skincare routine many hours ago, because right now as I'm filming, it's not late at night, but it's later in the evening. So I just want to like refresh my skin before I do my makeups. And this smells really good. It smells like coconuts. Okay, so now for my primer, foundation, and concealer, I'm gonna use products from the same line. So this is the Rimmel London Lasting Finish Breathable Primer, Foundation, and Concealer. So I'm not gonna talk too much about these products because I just did a video. It's gonna be kind of like a review but also a makeup tutorial, so that will be up before this video. So I would recommend, if you want to learn more about these products, to go watch that video. I'm not just gonna mention the same things over again in this one. So now the foundation, I actually really like it. This one is in the shade 300 and it matches my tan like really well, and it's just so easy to apply and I really like it. Yeah, this foundation is really like one of my favorites right now. So I had to put my hair up because it was really annoying. I really love this foundation. Okay, so now I'll use the concealer. This one is quite light. It works when I'm fair, but when I have a tan, it's a little light, but it just highlights quite well. So it's all right. Also, I look so pale on camera, but I swear to God, I got a nice tan going on. So yeah, but that's just the story of my life. This concealer is really good. Like, it has some nice coverage. This is the face. In the video that I did, like the review on the foundation, I didn't set. You'll see, like, I actually used darker shades to, like, a darker shade to contour too. So if you want to see what I did, check out that video. But I left all my face just with liquid products and I didn't set. But for today, since I'm going to use a powder bronzer, I will set. As always, pretty much I'm going to use the Match Perfection from Rimmel. It's pretty much the only powder I use. I talked about it in, what's it called, my Best of Beauty of 2017. I also did, like, it was a tutorial, so if you want to watch that, again, it will be listed down below. This is brand new. I actually got a package right before Christmas from Kiss New York Professional. So as you know, like, Kiss makes lashes, like fake nails, nail products and stuff like that. But recently there was like a new brand, so it's Kiss New York Professional. And it's gonna be my first time today trying their products, except I did try their lip glosses already, which I'm gonna use today as well. But yeah, today I'm gonna use, this is called the Contour Kit. This is in the medium shade, so it looks like that. So this one is like a shimmery. This one is more of like a bronzer. This is a darker contour. So we'll see how this is gonna look on my skin. It even comes with a little brush. That's pretty nice. So I'm gonna take the darkest shade, not too much. Gonna contour that. The brush sheds a little bit, but the color is nice. I'm gonna use a different brush. It's nice if I was just doing my makeup on the go, like I could just keep that brush in my bag. But this is a MAC 168, I believe. Ooh, okay, so I apply way too much. I'm gonna have to blend everything out. So on this side it looks really nice because I didn't apply too much, but on this side I'm gonna have to blend. So that's a little better. This shade might be a little too dark for me. I mean, not too dark, but I have to be careful with that one. Okay, so I'm gonna use my favorite bronzer brush. This is the 150 from MAC, and I'm gonna use the middle shade right here, which kind of reminds me of like a MAC Give Me Sun, but maybe a little lighter. Okay. Yeah, this is a really nice bronzer color. I really like it. It's very warm, which I like. So I really like this little palette. Of course, I'll keep using it, but I really like this middle bronzer shade. I will use this probably later on top of my blush, but for my blush, I'm gonna be using Gingerly from MAC. I wanted to keep this very like warm tone, and like I wanted to use brown shades but keep it warm, you know? So I'm just gonna add a bit of blush. And then I will use this. It's not a bronzer, not a highlight. I don't know, we'll see what it does. It just adds like a bronzy glow. So yeah, maybe this powder is not my favorite, but this bronzer is really nice. This is nice, maybe a tiny bit too dark for me. This I will have to try again, and maybe it would be a nice eyeshadow or something. So now for the eyes, I'm going to be using this new palette. It's from Maybelline. It's called the Total Temptation Shadow and Highlight Palette. So I like that there's two sides. So there's like a warm side and then a more like purpley cool side. So today I'm actually going to use the black and I'm going to use the browns here. So I will actually start, I could prime, but I don't feel like it. I am actually going to use a bronzer. I'll actually go back in this palette and use the middle shade. I'll use the bronzer as a transition shade. Okay, and then I will apply this shadow right here all over my lid. So this is the dark brown. So I'm just gonna apply that all over my lid. Also, it's been a while since I've done my eyebrows and my mustache and everything, so I should do that soon. So don't look at that. So on the pictures that I saw of Tyra, like she's my friend, her eyes, like the outer corner, are really lifted, so that's kind of what I'm gonna try to create. Then I'm gonna grab an angled brush like this. This is a MAC 275. Not my favorite brush in the world. Like, I would love it more if it was fluffier, but I really like the angle because I'm gonna go and apply my black right here, and I'm gonna use the angle. It's nice if you have hooded eyes. Okay, so I'll use the black right here. It has a little bit of shimmer, but it's okay. I'm gonna start by applying this in my outer corner. And I'm gonna apply it on my lash line too. Okay, so now I will go in with this color right here. It's a like medium, very warm brown, this one. I'm gonna apply this in my crease. This is too light. Just applied it like on my lid. This is a great palette. I like it. The eyeshadows are really pigmented and everything. Really creamy, but it's just not what I wanted for today. So I'm very excited to use these shades though. So I will feature this in another video. But for today, I'm gonna finish the makeup with this palette from Urban Decay. It's the Ultimate Basics. So it looks like that. So I'm gonna be using the black and like these colors right here. I'll go with this one. So I'm just gonna apply that in my crease on top of everything. Ooh. This is a little messy, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. And now I will go with this black right here. So I will basically apply this on my lash line and in my crease like I did earlier.
Put it on ya. Yeah, I'm in the Kia. This is not no drop top yet. Playing with her head like 2K, had to hit reset. Rolex.
I'm gonna take the black again.
Like my style. Hop up in my whip with all that cake.
Okay, so it's very messy. So I'm just gonna grab some Q-tips and some micellar water. I'll just go like under my eye like this. And I'll just blend out the edges because it's really sharp. I'll go back in the Maybelline palette and use this color right here. It's kind of shimmery and a little lighter. Apply that in my inner corner. I will line my eyes, so my top and bottom lash line, with the eye definer kohl from the Body Shop. And I'm actually gonna go a little outside the line. Now I will do mascara. So I'm using, this is gonna be my first time using it. It's the Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline, and the packaging is so nice. I really like the peachy color. It's natural fibers, so no plastic fibers. I prefer these type of ones. So yeah, let's see how this goes. It does a pretty great job at lengthening my lashes. I don't know how it holds a curl though. I will use it this week and we'll see how I like it, but no clumps at all. Now I will try the Total Temptation brow definer. So it looks like that. Again, I really like the packaging of this collection. So it comes with a little brush. Now I personally prefer either like a pomade for my eyebrows, or like a wax and powder. But we'll try this. I have it in the shade Deep Brown. It's actually like, can you see? I hope you can. It's much thicker than usual. It works pretty well. I think I prefer this opposed to a thin pencil. Oh, I like that. Yeah, it's bigger, so it works better. Oh, for lashes, I wanted to do something very simple because on the pictures that I kind of looked at, it looks like she's not really wearing big fake eyelashes, but I'm still gonna put on some fake eyelashes. So I want to try these for the first time today. So they're by Kiss, but they're, I think, a new kind. So these are the True Volume in the shade Classy, in the style Classy, and these, as you can see, like the outer corners are longer. So this is what I wanted. So I really like these lashes. They're quite, I don't want to say I hate to use the word natural, but you know what I mean. These are really nice. I'll definitely be wearing them a lot more. Yeah, they're super like thin, so that's why they kind of look natural. Okay, so for the lips, I'm also gonna use something from Kiss because, as I said, I just got some new products from them. So this is the so it's a Kiss New York Professional. I'm gonna use a liquid lipstick from them in the shade Peanut Brittle, but I have some lip balm on right now. I've been using this one recently. It's the Lip Medex from Blistex, which I thought these made your lips even more dry, but actually it's been great. So I have that on my lips right now because my lips were so chapped just like 2 weeks ago. So I'll use this with my lip balm just because I don't want this to be too matte. Lastly, I want to do a lip gloss. So again, from Kiss. I've worn this one before just on its own and it's really nice. It's the Luxe Creamy Lip Gloss in the shade Bailey's Vanilla. That packaging is also really nice. Kind of reminds me of NARS, but not really, but kind of. There's also this shade that I really like, and it's Cappuccino. This kind of reminds me of Chelsea Girls from NARS, but less pink, more of a nudie brown. So it's a really nice color too. But I think today I'm gonna go with this one, so Vanilla, Bailey's Vanilla, and apply it mainly in the center of my lips. So here's a swatch. So that is the final makeup look. I actually really like it. While I was doing it, the eyeshadows, I was like, no, I'm canceling this video. I'm starting over. I didn't like it, but I think it actually turned out quite nice. So for my hair, I don't know if you can tell, but I wanted to make my hair look a little lighter. I also did change the color of my hair. I will talk about it. Maybe the video is already up. I don't know. All the details on my hair will be in that video. So check out that video. But for today, I wanted to make my hair a little lighter because I mean, Tyra has lighter hair, but I mean. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Colorista Spray. I talked about this before. It's in gold. This also worked on when I had my black hair, but it works even better on my brown hair. So yeah, that's what I have in my hair if you were wondering, but you didn't really get to see my hair. Yeah, that is everything for this video. I'm actually really happy with this look. I wasn't even planning on filming a makeup tutorial today, and then I just had the inspiration. I saw some pictures today. I was like, I want to do a smoky eye. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want me to do any other celebrity inspired makeup looks, definitely leave your request down below. You can also follow me on Instagram, on Twitter, on Facebook, and Snapchat. All the links will be down below. And of course, all the products that I used today will be listed down below if you're interested. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. You can subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I will see you very soon in a new one. Bye!